Hello, my beautiful friends. I have gotten my goddess provisions box, so I'm going to unbox it. So this is the little box. Now, it looks little, but I have to say that historically they have packed every single box with lots and lots of stuff, so there's not a lot of filler. Other boxes come bigger, but it's just a bunch of filler and waste of space. So I did open it just to make it easier to... I don't want you to have to sit here and watch me peel tape. So I opened it up, and there's a book, which I'm not going to look at yet. I'll look at that later. All right, what do we have? I recall with each opportunity. Oh, the theme is tap into your higher purpose. I like that. And the colors are purples and teal, so that's cool. I recall with each opportunity the universe presents me. So I don't know what is in this magical bag. Let us open it, shall we? So, oh, there's another bag. Oh, these are dice. Moon Goddess dice set. Oh, there's two. There are two dice sets. And Fortune's Foretold dice set. If you watch the channel, I don't actually do any fortune telling, but I do divinations, so I do reflect on stuff. What do these dice look like? Oh, those are cool. We have like different the different moons, and then different symbols, and then different numbers of stars. So I will have to check that out. So these are the Moon Goddess dice set, and then the other dice are, I don't know if you put them together or you roll them alone. I have no idea. This one has numbers on it. So I'm imagining like numerology. These look like zodiac signs. And these are symbols. I have absolutely no idea. So I will have to check that out. Hopefully there's like a book or something that goes with it, or a website, because, oh, looking up. All right, what's next? We have a plain white bag, and in this plain white bag we have a crate of something. Oh, cool. It said an essential oil. It is called Age of Aquarius perfume oil. I watched my friend Hestia. I don't know how you say it. Hestia? And I laughed at her because we make the same kind of faces. I don't know. I don't think I don't hate it, but I don't know that I'd wear that. I might put it in, I don't know, incense maybe. I don't know. I'm not sold on that, but I mean, it's a nice big bottle of it though. All right, next is, they always have cool crystals. I have a lot of crystals, but they do have good ones that are nice size. They're usually in pretty good shape. I have no idea what it is. It's smooth, but also a little bit rough. So I have no idea what that is. But there's some of this garbage. What else we have in here? We have Vibe Crystals, Lapis Lazuli, and that is one of my favorite crystals. Lapis Lazuli, Rose Quartz, and Tiger Eye are my three favorites. And Lapis Lazuli is all about wisdom. So that'll be cool, because I will set that. I actually like this little card that it's on. I might set that whole thing over by Raggedy Ann. So what else we have in here? Oh, we have a cool purple pen. As an English professor, I am a lover of pens. Oh, it's got like a... Oh, I can entertain myself for hours during reading with that. That's cool. And then, Goddess Provisions knows me. I'm an English professor. I like books. It's called Manifest, an illustrated and handwritten guide to discovering your own magic. Oh, and it's like different things to do. Like little things you can do, and little facts. talks about affirmations, to get things I can do every day to get closer to my goal, travel, things. So that's cool. I have to look more into it, but that's cool. I like this box. It's different. I like Goddess Provisions because it has different stuff every time, so it's not always the same stuff. There's always like a cool crystal. There's something to do, like an activity that's like hands-on. These dice are legit cool, but I have no idea how to use them. What does the little book say? Alright. Divination dice set. Unlock. Oh, there's a link. Thank God. There's a link. Very tiny print. Very, very tiny print. That's probably my only criticism of Goddess Provision is the tiny print in this little book, because I'm old. Dreamy Moon's Manifest Book. Manifesting Magic Pen. Holy Santo Lapis Lazuli Vibe Crystals. Soapy Lane Age of Aquarius Perfume. And Larvakite. Stimulate your creativity, wisdom, and intellect with this crystal that evokes inner strength and is commonly used in meditation to produce inner visions. Oh, hell's bells. I need that. I love this box. I love Goddess Provisions. It is one of my favorite boxes. I always, I kind of cull the herd, and I would say that my favorite box is WeBox from Scotland, followed very closely by Goddess Provisions. Followed closely, I don't know what I would rank third, but definitely Goddess Provisions is up there as a very close number 2. I like the Scottish box because that's the box I've had the longest, and I'm all into my Scottish stuff, as evidenced by the flag. And the fact that I'm leaving for Scotland in exactly 2 weeks. All right, I am wishing you all the very best in light and love. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.